Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to fix a Hyundai Sonata door handle. First, gather your essential tools for this repair. You will need a flathead screwdriver, an 8mm socket, and a ratchet with an extension. A magnetic pickup tool can be very helpful to prevent dropping the small bolt inside the door. Of course, ensure you have your replacement exterior door handle ready to install. Now, let's access the handle mechanism. Open the door and find the small black grommet on the door's edge, near the latch. Gently pry this cover out with your flathead screwdriver. Behind it, you'll see an 8mm bolt. Use your socket and ratchet to carefully loosen and remove this bolt. It is very important not to drop this bolt inside the door cavity. With the bolt removed, you can now gently wiggle and pull the lock cylinder out of its housing. Next, slide the entire exterior door handle towards the rear of the vehicle. This will release the front portion, allowing you to carefully pull the old handle assembly straight out. Now, take your new handle and install it by reversing these exact steps, ensuring it seats correctly. To finish up, carefully reinsert the lock cylinder, making sure its internal arm aligns with the new handle. Then, thread and tighten the 8mm bolt back into place. Snug is good, but avoid over-tightening. Finally, push the black plastic grommet back into its hole. Before closing the door completely, test the new handle several times to ensure it opens and closes smoothly and securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.